Your business website is your own piece of digital real estate. And like any piece of real estate, there's always a little project or two that you can do to make it better. So let's roll up our sleeves and get to work. It's your website home improvement tip from Super Web Pros. Today's website home improvement tip: don't just download any third-party plugin for your website. So a lot of times when you're working on a website, you end up using third-party plugins to kind of enhance your user experience. And these can actually be really useful tools. However, it's important to verify that these are actually good things for your website and not just a backdoor for attackers to gain access. So there are a few things that are important to realize when you're trying to verify these plugins. The first, make sure that your website actually has a version that supports the plugin. You don't want to have any compatibility issues. The second thing is, when you're looking at the plugins to download, make sure that you're checking to see when they were last updated. If it hasn't been updated in a while, it may be a sign that the project is no longer being supported. And the longer you have something out there that hasn't been worked on, the more opportunities that attackers have to kind of gain access to vulnerabilities that may not have been dealt with yet. The third thing to keep in mind is to read reviews of these websites. Go on forums if they're available. Really kind of get the sense from people who are actually using the plugin how well it works, whether it's caused any problems in the past. You get to that point, a lot of people want to use free third-party plugins, but make sure that it's worth your while, because it may be worth it to pay for a plugin that has been verified, that has been updated recently, as opposed to using a risky third-party plugin that may not have had its issues dealt with. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to this channel and our blog for more useful tips. And if you're interested in making your small business website the best it can possibly be, come visit us at superwebpros.com.